Okay, now in this video, we're going to discuss what you can do in order to collect the names and email addresses of some of the visitors that come to your website that are not necessarily ready to buy from you or not necessarily ready to take the next step in terms of getting into a product or service that you are offering. And so what you need to do then is you need to create what's called a squeeze page or landing page where you can offer your visitors a free report or some kind of information that will help them in their business until they're ready to buy. But you want to be able to market to them continually until that happens. Well, one of the ways in which you do that, and you're looking at GetResponse right now. Now, GetResponse actually offers a service. It is their landing page creator. And one of the advantages to their landing page creator is that you can create a decent looking landing page or squeeze page without having to know coding at all. So here is what you are going to do. In your landing page settings, you're going to make sure to write in your page title because that's what's going to appear in their browser. And I'm not going to make you watch me type. I'm going to type in and come right back. Now, in our basic settings, once we type in our page title, we can then give our page a domain. And we want to make it as simple as we can if we're going to use the GetResponse domain. And we can type in here whatever we want to. It's going to have a subdomain or it's going to have an extension domain. You can change this to GetResponse pages or any of these choices. Or you can assign it to your own domain. Now in this case, we're just going to use one of the GetResponse domains. We can also add this to our Facebook account on our fan page. We're going to skip that right now. And all we're going to do is go back to our landing page settings and then we're going to click Next Step. Now GetResponse will give you several choices. And in this particular case, we want to keep things as simple as we can. Now, obviously, if you're operating in other niches, you can use any of these templates that you want that will give you the benefit of being able to present something visual that will be eye-catching to your visitor and grab their attention. But what you'll do in this particular case is we're going to pick the simplest template that there is because we're just offering an information product. We're looking to grab their name and email address, and so we want them to take note of a basic headline and some other information. And so there are a couple of simple templates here that we can use that are probably conducive to the make money online niche. And we can use any of these templates. So in this particular case, let's use this template. Okay, now you have already been given a tutorial on writing some basic headlines and some basic information. And you want to keep this information to a headline in this area, your introduction and description, an image of what you're offering here, and basic benefits. You want to leave this as an arrow. If you have an image, which would be an e-cover box, you want to put that there, representing what they're actually going to get. You want to put a call to action here, and then GetResponse will actually literally give you the opportunity to just connect one of your existing lists. You can use any of these things, but we're just going to use the GetResponse box. We're going to connect an existing list or create one specifically for this template. And all of these things inside of GetResponse are customizable. So you can change any of them that you want to, or change any of the colors and change any of the letters. And that's why this is about as simple a process as there is in terms of being able to create a decent squeeze page, one that your buyers will find attractive. Now, the other thing that you'll want to do is you may want to use some of the social sharing, and you'll also want to be able then to publish this to your fan page also. But once you have written the copy in, you're just going to click Save and Publish. Once you've done that, you will have a landing page that's either already online or one that you can manage or change appropriately. So when you click the link, and you'll literally see your landing page, and it'll be ready to go and ready to collect names and email addresses. So within minutes, you'll have a squeeze page that's ready to present your visitors with the opportunity to gain a free report by coming to your website and giving you their name and email address. Now, once again, this is a service inside of GetResponse. It's an additional $15 in a month. If you opt to do the first part of it, you can actually have a free trial where if you need to test the system to see if you can get it to work, you have time to test it. And it could be a good idea to test it right along with the autoresponder if you have not yet become a subscriber or regular subscriber to GetResponse. So once you've done that, you have created your landing page. You can choose to either have it redirected, and there are a couple of ways for you to connect it to your domain name. Click Edit here. Either assign it to our domain, or we can use the GetResponse domain and redirect it. Now, if you're going to redirect the domain, there is a way to do that inside of your cPanel hosting. I'll show you how to do that now. We are going to come inside of our cPanel, and we're going to find the redirect inside of the domain area, and then we're just going to click Redirects. We're then going to add in a subdirectory. We're going to call it landing page, and then we're going to take the URL that we just got from GetResponse and put it here. You'll then see the link inside of your cPanel, and you'll be able then to go and click the link, and it'll take you to your squeeze page. Okay, and with that, your squeeze page is now ready to be displayed. So now your squeeze page is ready to be published, and you are now ready to begin collecting names and email addresses for the freebie that you're going to be offering visitors who are not quite ready to proceed with your offer. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.